Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is trading at a level of $31.159. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, there is a clear indication that from 2 weeks there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, a swing has already formed at a level of 26.5, which is around 4-5 weeks back. Okay, and what we have seen at this particular level, that a level at a level of 26.184 is a strong support. You have to keep this in mind, because if the price comes close to this level, a bounce back we can see, or if it started falling below this level, it will move in this zone. Okay, what we have seen, that the silver price mostly trade in this particular zone. Okay, and whenever there is a zone breakout happens, upside or downside, we have seen a good fall. Okay, so that is where we have seen the, see, look at this particular trend, there is a downfall and then a swing has formed, then there is a zone and then upside. Similarly, this is what we have seen now. Now if you look at this particular trend, we have seen this is the zone where the price was moving so for so long, and I've already told you that when the price started going above a level of 30.2, we can see there will be a further upside movement. Now if the price started going above this particular level, chances can be high it can go above a level of 31.7, which is already being tested twice. So chances are high it can cross this particular level and can move towards further high. This particular trend, chances are high because, see, as soon as the price started going above a level of 32.5, there will be a zone breakout, because that level we have not seen since long. So chances will be high, we can see, if the price it started going above a level of 32.5, this 32.5 we have seen in the year 13. So chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, and then there will be a further upside, so towards a level of around 35 also we can see, and then to a level of 37 also we can see, or a level of 37 also. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, if the price didn't sustain, a probability is that it has to go below a level of 28.5, then only we can see there will be a further downfall. Otherwise, there is a higher chances that it can go further upside. Looking at the, see, what we have seen, the Fed has already cut 0.5%. So chances was high that we have seen a good volatility on that particular day, and we can see there will be an upside in the price of gold and crude silver. Okay, because there is a support in the side. If the price started at this level and started going above level of 32, then a further upside movement we can see in the price of silver. Now if you look at the dollar index, if you look at the dollar index on a weekly chart, you will see that clearly there is a downfall. Overall trend is continuously down. If you look at this particular trend, we have seen after making a half around $115, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. This is the range. Okay, and if you look at this range, what we have seen in July of 2023, this is the low of $99.64, and which is a strong support. So chances can be high at this level we can see bounce back from this level. But if it started falling below this level, because, see, this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will fall below this particular level. So what you have to understand, if the price started falling below a level of 100.5, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, but if the price started going above level of 101.5, we can see there will be a further upside. So for that, it has to move above level of 101.2. Keep that in mind. If the dollar started going upside, we will see the price of silver will come down. Similarly, if the price of dollar started going upside, we will see the price of silver will come down, and if the dollar started going down, we will see the silver price will go up. Okay, but what sometimes happens, they both moves in the same direction. Okay, mostly what you have to do when you have to start your trade, you have to put SL, so that your capital will be safe if the market is uncertain, not moving what as per you. Okay, and then you have to trail your SL once you start in profit. That is very important to save your profit. Now coming back on the silver price, what we can see, you see, if you look at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of crossing a level of 31.5 will be there, because this level is already being tested. So chances are high it will cross this level and it will go towards a level of 31.7, which is also being tested. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $32.2. Keep that in mind, that if the price started going above this particular level, it will go towards 32.2, and from there a level of 32.5. If the price started going up this level, then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside we can see towards $33, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of around 34.5 after crossing a level of 33, because see what we have seen, this have seen 34.5 is a strong resistance, so we can see a bounce back can come, and if started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come started falling below this level, chances are high it will go towards a level of 30.8 and from there a level of 30. Okay, this 30 is already being a weak, you can say strong support, so a bounce back can come. But if started falling below this level, chances of going towards a level of 29 also we can see, and then it will fall below a level of around 27.7. Okay, you have to understand, as soon as the price started falling below 29, we can see a level of 27.7, which has already been weak support, so chances are high the price will fall towards a level of around 26.4, and from there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of $26. Okay, and once the price started touching 26, we can see a bounce back can come, or if it started falling below this level, it will move in this zone. If the price started falling below 26, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.